Hello everyone, I Assistant Professor V Shete from Department of Microbiology, KJ Somaya College. In the last online lecture, we have studied the hepatitis A viruses. Okay, we are studying hepatitis virus A and the type B. So now in this online lecture, we will study about the type A virus. Now we will first study what is the structural characteristic of this virus and its genome. Okay, so now what components are present, what antigens and proteins are present on the genome and on the surface of the viruses. Okay, so the structure of the HBV, that is the hepatitis B virus, will be the virus particle is having the 42 nanometer. Okay, the size of the particle is 42 nanometers, the whole size. The virus is the DNA virus. Okay, the previous some of the viruses that we have studied was having the genome with RNA. Okay, that will come under the retrovirus category. This virus is having DNA as their genetic material, right? Then it is having outer membrane, outer envelope and the nucleocapsid, that is its inner core. Okay, then the viral particle is the 27 nanometer in the diameter. Okay, then it is having, as I mentioned, it is DNA virus, so it will be having the double stranded DNA. Now one special property of this virus is it is having the one positive sense DNA strand and one negative sense strand. Okay, the positive sense strand is incomplete one. Okay, it is not completed, so it can be partially diploid. Okay, and therefore the DNA polymerase, the DNA dependent DNA polymerase, which is also present, you can see in this picture, it is indicated the DNA polymerase. Okay, so that polymerase will fill up the gaps. Okay, and that will produce or that will develop the genome into the fully double stranded viral particle. Okay, now due to its unique features, it is assigned to a separate family called as the hepADNA virus. Okay, named saying the hepatitis. Okay, then DNA and then viridae means the virus. Okay, therefore the hepADNA viridae. This is the hepatotrophic DNA viruses. Okay, now the HBV is the hepADNA virus type 1. Okay, now this family, that is the hepADNA viridae, having the two genus. Okay, two different genera of this family are, one is the ortho-hepDNA viridae and second is the AV-hepDNA viridae. Okay, so first genera we will see one by one. The first one is the ortho-hepDNA viridae, that will be containing the HBV, that is our hepatitis B virus, plus woodchuck and the ground squirrel hepatitis viruses. See, these are the types of the hepatitis virus that are classified depending on their unique features and characteristic into this special family. What is the name of the family? hepADNA viridae. Okay, and inside that family we having the two different genera, two different genus. First one is the ortho-hepDNA viridae. Okay, our hepatitis B virus will come into this category, this genus. Okay, plus other viruses that also falls into the same category, which are they are the woodchuck virus and the ground squirrel hepatitis viruses. This name of these viruses are due to its shape. Okay, then the second genus of this family is AV-hepDNA viruses. Okay, DNA viridae. Now which viruses will come under this genera? The Pekin duck virus and the grey heron hepatitis viruses. Okay, the question can come, write the names of the viruses falling under the hepatDNA viridae genus. Okay, or the question can come like write two examples of the ortho-hep-DNA viridae genus. Okay, then what will be the answer? HBV and the woodchuck viruses. Okay, now look into the structure, this picture, right? In this picture you can see there is the double-stranded DNA, right? The DNA dependent DNA polymerase is present. Okay, then after that there is the nucleocapsid, we called it as core. Okay, the core of the DNA, the inner core, right? That core having the antigen, we will see that part in detail in later. Okay, now this core also has some antigen called as the HBC antigen. Okay, these are the proteins that are present on the inner core and the outer membrane. All right, now after that again the green color pear shaped antigen is indicated called as the HBE antigen. Okay, now after that there is the outer membrane. Okay, in that outer membrane which are the antigens are present? The purple color in that membrane, outer membrane, are indicated as the HBS antigen. Okay, these antigens are the surface antigens and therefore naming as the HBS antigen. Okay, then the surface is called as the lipid membrane, that is the outer membrane, outer envelope, we can call it as the envelope, and the proteins and the antigens that are present on it are called as the enveloped antigens, right? This is about the structure of the virus and the genomic properties of the virus, right? Now we will see viral genome and its antigen in detail. Okay, now what are the properties of its genome of the hepatitis B virus? Okay, so first it is having the nucleocapsid, that is the inner core, right? We have saw in the picture, this